Lord of the Flies. Here we are moving ahead towards the Lord of the Flies, chapter number 5 and 6. It is all about the descent into savagery. When we talk about Lord of the Flies, the characters basically belong to Britain, and they believe as a nation they are the best among rest of the other nations of the world. And what happened? They were the best and they basically converse into savages. This is the story of the Lord of the Flies. This presentation examines chapter 5 and 6 of William Golding's Lord of the Flies, exploring themes of leadership, fear, and the boy's descent to savagery. These are a few important points of discussion for chapter number 5 and 6. If when we talk about chapter number 5, the weight of leaders, Ralph struggles is the most important point. Ralph, now elected leader, faces the growing chaos of the groups. His attempts to instill discipline and maintain order are met with resistance. Ralph is the chief, but unfortunately, he faces a lot of problems. He has a lot of conflicts, especially with Jack. Jack is leader of hunters. Fear of beast. The next important thing which throughout we will see in chapter number 5, that fear of beast, a mysterious entity lurking in the island, grows among the boys. Their perceptions shift from a tangible creature to a symbol of their deepest fears. Now, see in this chapter a very important thing throughout. When we talk about Litlans are the characters, those are young among them, and they are most probably of around 6 year age. Since the beginning of this novel, from the beginning, there is an issue with the Litlans that they are horrified. Sometimes they feel there is any ghost, sometimes they believe there is any beast. That's why the term of beast is used. Sometimes they start believing there is something like snake which is creeping, which is moving from here to there, especially at nights. So this is the fear of beast, which basically slowly and gradually forms in the hearts of even elders due to a few specific incidents. Those have been taken place in chapter 5 and 6. Key dialogues of chapter 5, Ralph, we needed assembly not for fun, not for laughing and falling off the log. That Ralph, as a chief, he announces that here, whenever I call the assembly, assembly is for purpose. Without purpose, we do not call any sort of assembly. When we are in dire need of discussion, in that situation, he calls assembly, and assembly doesn't mean merrymaking, chit chat, or fun. Little. The beast comes out of the sea. Now, in fifth chapter, a very important thing. Little now they believe that maybe the beast can come out from the sea, and this is their belief that there is any beast, there is any snake type. Jack's challenge. Jack increasingly assertive, prioritize hunting over maintaining the fire, further hindering the boys' chances of rescue, hunting over fire. There is another conflict between Jack and Ralph's point of view. Ralph, throughout, he keeps on concentrating one thing, and what is that? That is to light the fire on the mountain top, especially at night, because he believes smoke is the signal for others who can rescue them from this island, tropical island of Pacific Ocean. But unfortunately, hunter group, the group of Jack, they believe that most important thing is hunting. They believe the most important thing is meat. They do not think about to escape from the island. Growing dominance is words and actions showcase a growing dominance and shift towards savagery, foreshadowing the boys' descent into chaos. Now, as we have discussed earlier, that they believe they are British, they are the best among the nations of the world. So that's why Ralph was trying to make them decent. But on the other hand, Jack Group is basically they believe in ruthlessness. So because of them, they are these decent children, they were basically converting into savages. We are moving towards the chapter number 6, where the dead parachute. There is a parachute that has been fallen down. Misinterpretation. The discovery of a dead parachute mistaken for the beast symbolizes the boy's paranoia and inability to reason. Now, there is an issue in the beginning of the chapter number 6. There is a parachute which has been fallen down, and unfortunately, twins Sam and Eric, they were on duty at night where they realized there is a beast. In fact, there was not a beast. A parachute was fallen down and the body was hanging over there. And because of night, they were failed to find what happened. They started shouting, they started informing others, and this is considered misinterpretation that there is a beast. In fact, there was no beast. A parachute was fallen down and a hanging body was there. Growing paranoia, the incident lights their growing fear and misinterpretation, further pushing them towards irrational behavior. When we talk about it, so they the very next day they informed Rak that we have witnessed, we have observed, we now we have realized that yes, there is a beast, and this was the incident which basically made them compelled others to start realizing that yes, beast is here. Otherwise, the elders they were not in favor of beast. They believe there is no beast or beast type creature here. But after knowing this incident, which is misinterpreted by Sam and Eric, they started also realizing that there is beast, and they start thinking about it that we need more protection. Then leadership clash. Ralph's leadership. Ralph, despite his anxieties, continued to lead the expedition to find the beast, showing his commitment to order and reason. Ralph is facing problem, clashes, conflicts from Jack. Even though Ralph was trying to make them console that there is nothing, there is no beast, there is no snake type thing, be relaxed, and even if we find such type of creature, we will make it finished. Jack's assertiveness. Jack, however, grows more aggressive, using sarcasm and mockery to challenge Ralph's authority, further escalating tensions. And what was the main target of Jack? That he was used to disturb, hurt Ralph, and especially Piggy. And throughout, he was going against Ralph. Shift from rescue. The boys prioritize survival over rescue, choosing to build a fort and stay at the site instead of maintaining the fire. Now, uh, Jack has made the rest of the others compelled to build a fort or start living in a fort rather than to live in open air. And on the other hand, Ralph was in favor of basically putting fire or to light fire. In this way, there is a possibility to be rescued earlier. Power struggle. The decision signifies a shift towards prioritizing power struggles and primal instinct over civilization and rescue efforts. Now, see, when Jake was trying to tell them that we need to build a fort or we need to move from any other area, we need to shift. It's been slowly and gradually. Jack was trying to create such situation in which he would be able to become chief rather than a leader. He wants to be the best replacement of Ralph. So this is all about the chapter number 5 and 6. Now, key themes and takeaways. Leadership. The novel explores the nature of leadership, its challenges, and how power can be used for good or evil. Then, fear. Fear plays a critical role in the boys' descent into savagery, driving their actions and decisions. And yes, there was a fear of beast, fear of snakes, a fear of some sort of nightmare. That's why these decent boys, these were converting into savages. And then another important thing, Jack's role is very important. Not only Jack, but also his whole team was showing a very savage behavior. That was slowly and gradually these decent boys start converting into savages. Savagery versus civilization, the boy's journey reveals the inherent struggle between civilization and savagery within human nature. So this Lord of the Flies, it has a very important or significant theme, a very important thing that is basically savagery versus civilization. Throughout we are discussing that Ralph was focusing on manners, etiquettes, because he believes we are English and English are the best among nations. So that's why we need to show very mannerful idea, and our society must be a very mannerful society. On the other hand, because of problems, fears, and conflicts, there were a few boys, those were converting into savages. So that's all from my side from today's class, today's lecture. That was all about chapter number 5 and 6 of Lord of the Flies. Thank you for watching the video.